The Easy Setting Box is a powerful tool designed to help you maximize your monitor's screen space, allowing for seamless multitasking and an immersive gaming experience. To set up Easy Setting Box, follow these simple steps. First, download the Easy Setting Box software and user manual from the Samsung Display Solutions page and install the software. Once installed, open the Easy Setting Box program. You'll see tabs for each connected monitor and various split-screen options. Click on the tab corresponding to the monitor you want to use. Select your desired split-screen layout. The red division line will guide you, disappearing based on your chosen layout. Now, easily drag and drop windows into the layout. For example, drag a window to the leftmost section for it to appear on the left side of your screen. But that's not all. Customize the layout grid to fit your preferences. Click Adjust Grid and red division lines will appear on the screen. Drag and position the lines to create your custom grid. That's it! Enhance your gaming and productivity with Samsung's Easy Setting Box. For more information or to find the perfect monitor for you, visit our website.